Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Basically, we are discussing the one of the topic that is city creation. In city creation, basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is India account. So, in India account, basically, we are discussing one topic that is SBI State Bank of India's groups account and how basically they handles each and everything, and Amazon account, how he handles the stuff, and last is after 2 days big earthquake is going to come. Big means very big, as in that basically. But in really it's not going to come. We are just taking as an example basically. How basically the earthquake might come basically. In last video basically we saw that from education sector basically the earthquake basically can come basically and can get activated. So one of the person told that is possible basically. Yeah. That is possible. Example, I had taken one BE person, software engineer basically. He is a software professional. He was project manager, software delivery head. He connected to some very dangerous idea, which actually going to give lots of profit basically to the company. Company basically immediately executed that idea. That idea basically was from Dubai city, assume basically, and that was basically from BE level education, and that was basically assume that it was in Surat city basically. Assume that BE education basically, that is the education BE. For example, in BE basically there are around 1 lakh books. Just taking as an example basically. That 1 lakh book was created by Surat city. In Surat city there is one area basically of 2 kilometer area where the BE book is basically is created. So that Surat city is going to affect basically. So Surat city basically, one of the person told that who are the books creator basically, and the physical place basically from where the ideas basically are getting there, they always be alert mode basically. For that basically you can give the contract to Amazon or give the contract to Facebook, give the contract to Microsoft, give the contract to Oracle, give the contract to some other group. They are always basically active in computer basically. If any of the stuff basically happens basically in computer, they immediately basically say that this incident has happened basically, because they continuously basically watching the laptop computers basically. But that is AI basically, basically that is AI basically, not human basically is watching. So AI, and AI basically equal to set of conditions, and if that condition basically doesn't match, then basically it's a AI will not work. So that is basically different thing basically. So one of the person told that nowadays basically, do you know what happened? The people who died na basically, they are kept in front of the computer and they are basically doing the cyber securities. Whenever a person basically is doing something in computer basically, they immediately fires. But he is not a human basically. He is a human clone basically. He has created for 1 month basically. After 1 month, he is going to die. Nowadays, the big software companies are doing this type of stuff basically because they know what they know, that they know basically, that what they know. So you can just imagine basically how the industry is ongoing basically, and this everything is done. So one of the person told that earthquake basically has become very dangerous topic here basically. Stable data, unstable data. One person told that city to city connection is there, states to state connection is there, country to country connection is there. How basically? That is one idea basically. For example, one person told that B person basically who is doing the education, when he will basically finish the education, then after that basically he is going to move to the outside India also. So there basically B also physical location is supposed to create. So B education. So one of the person told that in India basically how many certificates has been created. Why? Because whatever certification has created, their physical place basically is existing in India. But the visa department say that basically your BE people basically are in Ireland also basically. So you have to create that BE physical location in Ireland also. You have to create the BE location, BE physical location in Ireland also. So you can just imagine basically the creation which is already done basically. Because from power company basically you can't handle the entire energies. You have to create the physical location. So whatever education basically India is giving the basically the certification which India has created, that physical location basically is there in outside India also. So in next video basically we are going to see that little bit more about this topic.